Narratives. It's what the crypto market thrives on. And so far in this cycle, they've all stayed relatively the same, except for the emergence of AI agents. And these narratives can change pretty quick sometimes. With that being said, I want to welcome y'all back to the Go Getter Crypto Club. My name is Ro. Now let's get it. So if you want an easy button, if you're new to this space and you want an easy button to see what's trending, you can just come over here to Coinmarketcap, and right down here, it'll show you what's hot. And so far in this cycle, memes, AI memes, gaming, DPIN, and RWA, or real world assets, have stayed on the forefront. And I think they're going to continue to stay in the forefront. But there is, like I mentioned earlier, AI agents, and they are coming up very, very quick. So I'm not going to get into what the AI agents are. You can probably find some videos on it, or look them up real quick. But this is something that that anyone can look at just to get a quick pulse on the market and see what's hot. And if you're new, like I said, this is a good place to go just to check out what's trending. So that being said, let's see what Bitcoin is doing here. Like I mentioned yesterday, doesn't look like it's going to be doing a whole lot this week, or by the end of this week, or the end of this weekend. I think we'll start to see a little more movement next week, possibly some nice little upside movement, or possibly some downside movement. I don't know yet, but yeah, expect the volatility to come in sometime next week. There'll be more people in the market, more money moving around, all that good stuff. I did want to also bring up this indicator here. It's called the Pi Cycle Top Indicator. And this is one that I'm going to be watching really close, especially when it gets closer to March or April. I don't think it's going to make its cross at that time, but these crosses are the points that it shows, basically the top of Bitcoin. And once you see this, that pretty much means it's time to get out of Bitcoin, at least. You could probably still stay in your altcoins if you're invested in any altcoins for a couple of weeks, maybe even 3 weeks. Let them keep going up. But you want to be out of Bitcoin, or putting some profit into your pocket around this time. So it does look like we have quite a bit of ways to go. Who knows how far this is going to go, but yeah, there's a lot of different predictions out there. I'm not trying to even make one. I'm just going to be watching several different indicators, and I'll talk about some of them later. One of the big things that I wanted to bring up was this talk that's going around about Bitcoin becoming a reserve currency. And this is a big deal. This is a really, really big deal. History has shown that the reserve currencies that fall, they always fall to another type of currency. And I don't think that this is going to be any different, except for the fact that it'll be Bitcoin and that it's decentralized. This is something that I'm going to keep my eye on, especially in 2025, because if it starts to get closer to that becoming a reality, oh boy, we're gonna see some fireworks, folks. It may not be good fireworks either, but but we will see some fireworks because the US dollar is not going to want to go down easy, that's for sure. Anyway, I just wanted to show y'all a couple of those things, talk a little bit about Bitcoin, and yeah, just put all this little bit of info out a little bit at a time. Hopefully, start to gain a little bit of an audience. If y'all enjoyed this, I would appreciate a like and a subscribe. I am going to be putting some of the links below of exchanges that I use and other tools that I use. And y'all can check them out if you want. With that being said, I will talk to y'all later.